Ow.
Hang on, she's helping Zachary out.
Ursa? Here, Zachary, I want to help you.
Oh my!
It's a video!
Oh my! Show him.
Keep opening.
Show him.
Yeah, I think you better keep going.
Put it on the ground and open it.
There's a flap there.
Probably gotta tip it upside down though. It's upside down right now.
Yeah, untape it again.
Put it down.
Pull it out. There's more to it. Pull out the box.
Come on now. Oh.
This is a joint effort on this one.
Yes!
Okay, so I'm a little confused.
You got a sweatshirt.
Yeah.
What is that?
It was to weigh it down to prank him.
What is it though?
It's a dead Xbox, just to weigh it down.
That old one.
Gotcha.